Good day everyone. Today I will show you how to multiply decimal numbers. But before that, let us have a recall. How many decimal places are there in each item? Let me read them first. Number 1, 23 hundredths. Number 2, 7 and 301 thousandths. Number 3, 12 and 5 thousandths. Number 4, 5 and 55 ten thousandths. And number 5, 5 tenths. I will give you 10 seconds to answer this. Timer starts now. Time is up. The answers are 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now let us move on to our topic about multiplication of decimal numbers. Let us try to compare. I have here two multiplication problems. On our left, we have 625 times 45. Their factor or the factors are whole numbers. On our right, we have 6 and 25 hundredths times 4 and 5 tenths. The factors are decimal numbers. Now look at the digits of their factors. What can you say? Very good. They have the same digits. Now, since you already know how to multiply whole numbers, let us multiply 625 times 45. Starting from digit 5. We need to multiply the digit 5 to every digits in 625. Let us have 5 times 5 is 25, carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, carry 1. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So we're through with digit 5. Let's go now with digit 4. We have 4 times 5 is 20. Let us write our answer below digit 2. So we have 2, we have 0, carry 2. Then 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 0, carry 1. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Now let us add. Copy or bring down digit 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 5 is 8. And copy or bring down the digit 2. So our answer is 28,125. Now let us try to multiply 6 and 25 hundredths times 4 and 5 tenths. How are we going to do that? First, we need to multiply as whole numbers. So even though they are decimal numbers, just multiply it as whole numbers. So when we multiply this as whole numbers, definitely we will get the same digits in our product, right? What will be now the next step? Remember, the factors are decimal numbers. So the next step will be count. Count the number of decimal places in the factors. Let us count the number of decimal places in our factors. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 decimal places. Then, move the decimal point from right to left based from the number of decimal places in our factors. But where is the decimal point here? The decimal point is right after the digit 5. So we need to move the decimal point thrice, going to the left. So let us move. 1, 2, 3. Now, let us write the decimal point between the digits 8 and 1. So our answer is 28 and 125 thousandths. Again, remember this word: multiply, count, and move. Now, let us try. Let us try to multiply 12 and 5 tenths times 4 and 3/10. Again, the first step is multiply. Multiply as whole numbers. We have 3 times 5 is 15. Carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 3 times 1 is 3. Let's go now with digit 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry 2. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Now let us add. Copy or bring down the digit 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3. Then copy or bring down the digit 5. Next, count. Count the number of decimal places in our factors. Now, let us count the number of decimal places we have in our factors. We have 1, 2. Next is move. Move the decimal point from right to left based from the given number of decimal places in our factors. So, here is the decimal point. Let us move twice to the left. We have 1, 2. Then, write the decimal point between the digits 3 and 7. So, our answer is 53 and 75 hundredths. Let us have another one. We have 235 thousandths times 23 hundredths. Again, multiply as whole number. We have 3 times 5 is 15. Carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. We have 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Next, 2 times 5 is 10. Let us write our answer below digit 0. We have 0, carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Then, 2 times 2 is 4. Now, let us add. Copy or bring down the digit 5. Then we have 0. 7 plus 7 is 14. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next step is count. Count the number of decimal places in the factors. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 decimal places. The next is move. Move the decimal point from right to left based from the given number of decimal places in our factors. Since we have 5 decimal places in our factors, we need to move this 5 times to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, write the decimal point. But as you see, there is a vacant space. So what are you going to do? We need to write or put 0. Then, write the decimal point. Then, write 0 before the decimal point. So our answer is 5,405 hundred thousandths. I hope everything is clear to you. Until next time, goodbye.